You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this city in the north of France. If you want to learn more confusing names from French, make sure to stay tuned. French pronunciation, Le Touquet. Le Touquet. Le Touquet. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say it as Le Touquet. Le Touquet. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.